Hello everyone and welcome back again. Last video I have talked about format specifier and how to use printf method in Java. So today I'll talk about how to get user input in Java. Okay, so I need to open a new Java class first. Java class is a user input. I'll say user put. Just you can put any name. Okay, user input. Here user input user input. Okay, so at first, as usual, I have to create first my main method because I want to run this file. So as I told you previously, shortcut psbm and tab public static void main. And another thing is, like, if you are new, thus you didn't learn any other programming language, are also, and you are not so usual with keyboards, so you can type it, because the time it will make you speedy for your typing speed, it will increase your type speed. But I'm using the shortcut to show you and how to use shortcut. Actually, netbeans shortcut, even you also will, you can use it also, but it's better if you are beginner, of course, you can type. So okay, now, so previously, normally if we want to print any number, like I want to print a integer number is equal to 20. Yes. And then how can I print it? SOUT tab system.out.println number is equal to then plus number. It was previously, normally when we already have the values, we normally use it the time. Okay, this takes some time. Okay, number is 20. But now I want to see, just like that, I can give I can give the number by my own after run program. So okay, let's talk how can. So at first, I can just I need this data type and variable input, number, input number, sorry, integer number. mm, uh, I don't need it until now, integer number. And then, so I'm just going to show you the syntax, how to take user input. So we have to use here a scanner class that's already built in Java. A scanner, or S will be the capital letter, be careful. A scanner, and then input is a variable here, and equal to new scanner, then system.in dot in. Okay, now here it's showing as error. So how can error, though it's already built in Java, so I have to import it. So for import, we can go here and click here and say add import Java util scanner. If you also want, you can also type here, but I just edit. So now is there no system.in, sorry, system S will be capital letter, system.in. Okay, so this is for, until now I just use this structure is for user input. And then now it is a number, and then now what will be the syntax during whenever I'll choose SOUT tab So I'll say the enter the number. Enter the number, and then I just say this, comma, and this. So now it will show in my output. Now I have to call this number is equal to input dot next integer, because we are going to get a user input that is integer. Even if we want to use the short, we can use also short if we want to get, but this time I want to get an integer, so next integer, next integer, until now. So and then system dot out dot println, and the number, this one will be, it will print the number. So let's run first, run this file, enter the number. I have to use the number 20, and then enter. Number is 20. Okay, another thing, why whenever I try to give the number, then why it came to next line? Because we are using here print ln. If I use only print, now run again, now I can write here. Yeah, now it's taking this. Okay, number is equal to 20. So now what's actually happening here, how it gets? So whenever we are going to run this code, so at first this input is a variable, okay, input dot next integer. That means it will try to scan a input that we already store here, new scanner, and then this line, enter the number, it will be for this line. And whenever I give the integer, and it's, see, you say okay, 20 is also integer, then it will the print here system dot out dot println number is equal to plus number, because this number is a variables. I already declare here this number is a variables. So let's try to see something, why I use, why, how can it is scan. Okay, enter the number. If I put 20.5, what happened? See, whenever I give any floating point, or like after decimal point any number, that time is they cannot scan, because we already say it input dot next int, and there also number is for integer. Okay, so now let's see, how about if I want to print 20.5. So 20.5 is usually float for, so I have here float, and then here I have to use then this next int, I have to say input dot dot next float, and then is, now let's try to run the first 20.5. Oh, because I've used here println 20.5. So how about if I want to print a string now? Okay, so I want to just edit something here for string. Plot will be string, a string, and then, sorry, string is capital, the string name. Let's put my name, and then enter the, okay, and then this is, and then here, okay, there our variable is name, so that means whenever we have to put variable here, name, and then This is string. So input dot. Here we have two line. One is only next, another is only next line. So if we can use both for string. So at first I am going to show you the next, and after that I will show you what is the benefit for using next line. Okay, enter, and then you see. So is the name. Okay, I just said this is here. This is will be here, and this is will be enter your name or write your name. Write your name here, and then this is the number because our variable is name. So what will happen here? Whenever I am going to call it the next input dot, then it will try to scan for a string, and then it will store the string on this name variable, and then at first it firstly they will say write your name. Whenever I will write the name, then they will search, they will the next input dot next will try to scan any string. Whenever they will get this, it will get this name, and it will store on name. So let's try. Write your name. So now I will carry. Okay, why is next line? Because it's I use print ln. Enter. Okay, this is Rajaul. Okay, previously I saw you, I told you there's what is the difference between next and next line. Whenever we are going to use next, that time it just only can take one word, and after the space they cannot execute, they cannot take this. So that whenever I will use next line, li, and next line, now try to run again. Enter your name, Karim, and then enter. Okay, this is Radhaul Karim. So until now this is okay. If I just, if you want to customize it, just print here and then run again. Okay, okay, this is Radhaul Karim. So that's all for today. Until now, this how to get user input, and you can practice it more in next. See you next video with any other upcoming topics. Thank you.